In this video, I want to introduce you to the Rich Text Editor. So here is just a page, and you'll find the Rich Text Editor, which is this square here. In almost all of the materials you'll see when you create them. And in this video, I want to introduce you to the Rich Text Editor. You'll see this Rich Text Editor in just about all the materials that you make in Schoology, and it is this square box that you see here. Okay, some of the features that you see in this top row and even the bottom row over here will disappear depending on which type of material you're creating or you're using. A lot of these are fairly similar to what you would have seen in maybe a word processing tool. So bold italics, underline text. You have like your formatting, so strike through, subscript, superscript type of things, indents, center align. Okay. You can add links. So if you have your text typed out, you can insert a link. You can add tables. This is an insert content one I'm going to come back to in just a second, but you can insert tables. You can turn on spell check. So as you're typing, it'll do a spelling check for you. Changing your paragraph style, changing your font size. And then way over here, you can switch this to HTML so you can actually see the code, the HTML code for what you're working with. And depending on the more you do in Schoology, you might find yourself using that HTML button more. At the bottom, we have where we can attach. These ones are very much like an email where you can attach to the bottom. So we can attach a file to the bottom. These could be PDFs, pictures, videos, whatever you want there. You can do links, and instead of appearing in the text, like using this link bar up here, these would be at the bottom of the page. You can pull it from your resources. So in Schoology, you have that resources tab up at the top. You can't really see it because it's kind of hidden from this box right now. But you could pull files and things from your resources and add them there. You can do an audio or a video recording. So if you wanted to have audio for the instructions or a video showing kids how to do something, you could do that as well. And then this allows you to add an external tool on the bottom. A lot of times if we have outside content providers, they'll provide their content in an external tool. So you basically click on it and it opens up their content in what they call an iframe. Okay, but this is that Rich Text Editor box. The one that I tend to use a lot, especially if I'm working on this, like making Schoology more visual, is this Insert Content button. And from here, I can do a variety of things. So you see they have image or media here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. But from here, I can upload media. So this could be anything that's on my computer. So I can do pictures, I can do videos. If you do a video, it may take a couple of minutes for that video basically to go through like a rendering process so that it shows up on screen. Until it goes through that process, if somebody clicks on the link, it would basically download the video to their computer and then they could watch it. But if you give it a couple minutes, especially depending on the size of your video, give it a couple minutes and then you should be able to see it right within Schoology like it's embedded. Your other option is you can pull things from the web. And you'll see you have image or you can do media. So you basically have to have the link for that one. If you're trying to pull in a video from a page and you have the link or the embed code, you want to make sure that you hit the media button. Otherwise, if it's on image, it's just going to be a still picture of the first frame of the video and it won't actually play. So it's very important if you're doing videos and you're trying to embed them or add them that you click on that media button and then paste in your link or your embed code. This was just a quick introduction to this tool. There are times, especially as we get further into this course, where you will see me use the Insert Content button. And there's also going to be times when I show you how to switch to HTML to grab code to use it elsewhere.